Now we are moving forward towards the next topic, that is biotechnology. Now, how biotechnology works? What is biotechnology? This has been studied by you in earlier class. That is this is the technology in which we are making some genetical changes and hybridization in organ of human welfare. Means artificial genetic changes and hybridization are the two method of biotechnology, and that is done for the human welfare, for our welfareness. The various branches of science like cytology, biochemistry, molecular biology, genetic engineering are included in this biotechnology. This is considerable progress mainly in the field of agriculture and pharmacy due to biotechnology. Means maximum use of biotechnology is being utilized in our country in agriculture as well as pharmacy field. Pharmacy means in medical sciences, medicine sciences, not medical but medicine sciences. New experiments are being performed for improving the agriculture yield, and in pharmacy the experiments for production of antibiotic, vitamins, hormones like insulin has been successful. Now, how high class varieties of crop has been developed through the techniques of tissue culture. Tissue culture is one type of method of biotechnology to improve the variety of crops. Now, this is the various area include in biotechnology, that is use of various abilities of microbes like yogurt production from milk and alcohol for from molasses, that we have discussed in earlier chapter, that was chapter number 7, how we can produce yogurt with the help of microbes. That is also type of biotechnology. And use of productivity of the cell like production of antibiotics and vaccines with the help of specific cell. Then next is use of molecules like DNA and protein in human welfare. Then development of plants, animal and products of desired quality by gene manipulation, and production of human growth hormone with the help of genetically modified bacteria. Then use of genetic and non-genetic techniques. Non-genetic biotechnology involves use of either cell or tissue, example tissue culture, production of hybrid seeds, etc. Now these are the various fields in which we can utilize the biotechnology. In this you have first 2 points you are well known as it has been discussed in previous chapter. Then this DNA and protein, it is related to the change in the DNA sequence, means generation of new DNA, new type of DNA. It is also a type of biotechnology working at the gene level. Then by with the help of such work we can develop some plant, animals, and with the desired quality that we require, and this is known as gene manipulation, which is done with this DNA and protein. Then also we can produce human growth hormone. Why we have to produce human growth hormone? As this human growth hormone is released when we are young. As we got elder adult, this hormone stop produced by the pituitary gland. And if somebody has less height, means if somebody has not attained the height he requires, he or she, then this growth hormone which has been generated genetically or biotechnology can be given to them to increase their height. That's why these hormones are required. Means it is one example, and other such more benefits are there of this human growth hormone. So it is produced by genetical modification with the help of bacteria. And then also it is useful biotechnology in genetic as well as non-genetic techniques. Especially genetics we have discussed, and non-genetic means to involve the use of either cell or tissues like tissue culture, production of hybrid seed. These are non-genetic technique, though it is biotechnology. Then benefits of biotechnology. What we will get? This is the application, and now what is the benefit of doing this? So it has become possible to increase per hectare yield irrespective to the limitation of crop land area. Means though the area is very less for agriculture, then also we can produce more yield in that less area also due to this biotechnology. Then expenses on disease control have minimized since development of resistant variety. Means we don't have to use much pesticides, insecticides, herbicides, as we have developed, genetically developed that plant which itself uh, uh, defends itself from this infection. So we don't require to use chemical as they are resistant variety. And then due to the development of fast fruiting setting varieties, yield per annum has been increased. Nowadays you can observe that the fruits are being there very they are ripening very fast or coming very fast in the market, and some fruits are available for all the 12 months. Initially it was seasonal, but nowadays all 12 months you are getting some different fruits. So this is known as fast fruiting. Means due to this fast fruiting setting varieties, we are getting this fruit all over the year. So due to which their annum income is been increased, and this is also the use of due to biotechnology. Then development of stress resistance variety which can withstand variable temperature, water stress, changing fertility of the soil, etc. has become possible. Means nowadays agriculture can be done in any land, though there is availability of water is there or not, or temperature is high or low, because we have developed some plants through biotechnology which can withstand in such a stress condition. So these are the benefits of biotechnology.